Do people with green cards need to worry about using benefits during the coronavirus crisis? I get those questions all the time. Watch this video and I'll tell you more. Hello everybody, my name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California. In this video, we'll talk about green card holders and their eligibility for benefits during the coronavirus crisis. We get so many questions from permanent residents and people that are about to become permanent residents. They want to know what their benefits, what their rights are, and we'll talk about it in this short video. But before that, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, click that bell to be notified. We release videos every single week. If you're on Instagram or TikTok, make sure to follow us as well. Another important thing that we have created in the past couple of weeks is a private Facebook group. We have so many questions about the coronavirus situation with immigration, benefits, unemployment, and we'll try to answer those questions in a safe, private manner at our Facebook group. So link below for the Facebook private group. I welcome you to join us and continue the discussion over there. So let's dive into this video. So do green card holders need to worry about collecting benefits during the coronavirus crisis? So the short answer is no. The people that are subject to the public charge, which is the main concern of people taking benefits from the government, is for people that are applying for green cards in the US, going through adjustment of status based on marriage or employment. Those people have to pass the public charge test to see if they will be or currently are subject to the public charge rules. Also, it applies to people that are overseas at US embassies, consulates worldwide that are about to come to the United States based on family petitions, and they're applying for the green cards. Those people are also subject to the public charge rule, and therefore, if they take any benefits from the government, it could impact them. But the public charge rule also applies to people that are changing status on non-immigrant visas, but they are not subject to the full test, they're just subject to a certain criteria of public charge. But anybody else, if you're a resident, if you already have a green card, you're not subject to those rules, which means if you are in need, if you were laid off, or if you need to get some Medi-Cal or Medicare or any of the financial benefits of the state that you're in, you are eligible. If you need to get assistance for coronavirus tests or get reimbursed your insurance or whatever, anything like that, these are things that are not going to impact you. You already have a green card, you're a green card holder. Now, this is really important because people that are going currently through their immigration status, if you're a green card holder, on the other hand, if you commit a crime or if you do something that to abandon your green card, you can lose your green card. So again, green card is not a permanent benefit. But when it comes to public charge, when it comes to medical benefits, these are outside of the scope of green card holders, which means they are able to take those benefits without fearing that they may lose their green card. Since the coronavirus crisis started, we had so many concerns from immigrants that are concerned whether they are, if they are taking any benefits or if they're doing something currently because they have to, because they lost their job or because they are currently ill, it may impact their future immigration status. And I understand that there's a concern, but in this particular video, where we're talking about green card holders, this shouldn't be an issue, and they are able to take any of the benefits that are afforded for them by law. So if you're a green card holder and you need public assistance from the government, Medicaid, Medicare, unemployment benefits, you are eligible and you should take advantage of those, because right now we are all in need. Everybody is trying to help each other, and even the government is trying to support. So definitely much more lenient. But when it comes to green card holders, you're good to go. Take those benefits, and hopefully this answers some of the biggest questions that we get right now from many of you resident green card holders. So once again, if you have any questions about this or anything related to green card holders and how they're impacted by benefits during the coronavirus crisis, make sure you post them in the comments below. We have, once again, as I mentioned, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram and TikTok. But most importantly, if you want to continue the discussion, join our Facebook group where we talk about those issues every single day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.